In this video, we're going to be installing the TechSpec tank grips on the Acerbis 5.3 gallon tank. So these grips are pretty cool. Overpriced, probably. they're about 70 bucks. It's about as cheap as I can find them. I got these ones on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. But they're also about $70-ish on ProCycle. But then you don't get the free shipping unless you get up to the $300 or whatever they have on there. But maybe you do want to get up to there. Some other things. Anyways, the install is going to be pretty easy. These tank grips are made specifically for this tank, which is pretty cool. I mean, they got the cutout for this aftermarket tank, so they do fit nicely on here. You can kind of put them in a variety of locations, but I kind of, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight on the seam right here on the bottom of the tank. I don't know if you can see the seam there. I'm going to line it up exactly there, and I'm going to go just after the tank starts to, kind of has the bend right here. I'm going to go just after the bend right there, and we'll just kind of peel and stick. I was thinking, maybe I'll get precise and set up some specific measurements, with tape all around, but I think we can kind of just freehand this one. But put them on however method you want to do, but that's how we're going to put them on. Also, you might want to sit on the bike and kind of grip the tank and just see kind of where your legs land. But I already did that with this, and they do kind of land perfectly right there, so that's where the grip is going to be most effective for me. But I mean, you guys can put them wherever you want. They can move around, and you can have it up a little bit higher if you want, more forward, more back. I just want to get too much on this bend part of the tank, or it might peel up right there. So I'm going to go just a little bit after the bend there, in line with this seam on the bottom. That'll just be easy to line up and get it set up. Alright, let's do it. Like I said, we're just going to line it up with this bottom part, and then just a little bit after the bend here. So something like that. We will peel off the backing here. One thing you want to make sure, just clean your tank very good before putting these on. This tank is basically new, so it's not too dirty. Just wiped it off with some alcohol. But Acerbis recommends Windex. I always like to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on adhesives, or stuff that's going to have adhesives. I feel like it dries nicely. I mean, Windex dries decently too, but I think with their directions, sorry, I said Acerbis, but TechSpec, the brand of the tank grip, they recommended Windex. But a lot of these are going on sport bikes with metal tanks. So, yeah, I mean, I wiped it down with alcohol, so that's what I'm using. And yeah, we're just going to go just about lined up there, and just about right after the bend of the, how the tank bends right here. So tank's already clean. We're just gonna peel off this backing, and just try to be careful not to touch the adhesive surface. So yeah, I'll take it, turn it around without touching the adhesive surface. We're just gonna line it up. Right at the seam. Just going slightly above the seam and slightly after the bend. So now I got the seam part down there, I'll just kind of roll up with it. Just as you're putting on any kind of adhesive. And this has been kind of a tried and true method on this tank. Anybody that tries to put graphics on, it seems like they have a problem most of the time because the tank breathes the fuel vapors, so you can't put regular stickers on it or anything. But many people have done this without issue, so I think we won't have any problems here. And that's basically it right there. We'll just repeat on the other side, and that's it. I think it looks really good. Alright, I said I was going to freehand it, but I just can't do that. So basically, I'm just going to take two pieces of tape to line up so how it is on this side, on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to switch them to the right-hand side. But basically, I just took two pieces of tape. Masking tape would probably be better, but I just had duct tape lying around. And I put a mark to right where the edge of the seat is and right where the edge of the seat is. and then I'll flip those around and put them on the other side, just so I have the same distance there. I'm kind of the kind of person that's got to measure everything, but I could definitely get with having it straight with the bottom line right there. So I'm just going to do that so I'm sure they're the same on both sides, and then we should be good. So let's head to the other side. Alright, so now I got a measurement set up, transfer my 2 pieces of tape to the other side, and I can line it up there so don't have to stress out about not being even on either side, and then I can just line up with the bottom of the seam here like we went with before. So we'll just do that and peel and stick same way. Take the backing off, comes off nice and easy. So again, having a nice clean surface here, don't touch the adhesive here. And then same thing as before, except this one we're lining up on the top and the bottom. A little bit trickier. That way we'll be sure we're at the same point on either side. I'll start here at the bottom again. Also making sure my top is lined up as well here. Just make sure I'm lined up good on both sides before you stick it all the way down. Just make sure all your markings line up. I'll go slightly above the little line here. And we'll do the same thing. We're lined up on the top with the tape, and then we'll just kind of roll it up. Very simple install. I feel like, yeah, they're expensive at 70 bucks a pop, but they are cut specifically for this tank, so you got to give them credit for that too. I mean, you could try to cut out your own thing. I've seen some other smaller ones that just don't look great on Amazon as well. TechSpec is a good brand. It's been around for a while. So, I mean, you know they're good, and a lot of people have used these. So yeah, they're expensive, but they do fit the tank perfectly. And I've heard good things about them. So I'm happy with it. I feel like it looks great. This is what they look like installed. Right around to the other side. They do just look really good, a good addition to the tank. As I said, you know, there's not really many graphics options for these, so I feel like it gives a nice addition to the looks as well as the function. So that's basically it on installing these things. Pretty easy. Just let them adhere to there, but pretty dang easy install. Just slap them on there, and that's about it. I do want to thank you for watching this video today. If you found this video helpful, just give me a like. Also subscribe. We do more DR650 content just about every other week. So subscribe if you want to see more mods and maintenance and stuff like that.